Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you can also see, we have reversing sensors. This car's a plug-in hybrid, so you've got the necessary cables to charge it just there. It's also a 7-seat vehicle, so you can see we have 7 seats in place. Very easy to lower those, as you can see, and you can, of course, drop these down as well, should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, firstly, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, I'm going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. Over on the right-hand side, you can see how much of the hybrid power you are using. Also, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We're in park at the moment, of course. At the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and the battery charge level. And in the centre, the sat-nav information. You can change the information that's displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. You can also access your trip computer, which displays the total mileage for the car as well, which is 32,171. If we back out to the steering wheel next, the buttons I was just using were over here. We have cruise control, and then to the center, the main touch screen for the car. One physical button, which will take you back to this main menu. You can swipe any of these to the right and left if you wish to, or tap on them to open up the menu that's highlighted. So in this case, Google Maps for your satellite navigation. We have an audio menu. Again, you can swipe across. You've got Bluetooth audio. We have DAB, AM and FM radio as well. We've got Apple CarPlay, as you can see. We've also got Android Auto, and you can pair your phone from on there and make and receive phone calls. At the very bottom, you can open up the menu that we started on, which is your climate control menu. So you could determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in, the fan speed of that air, the temperature for the driver, the temperature for the passenger. You can turn your air conditioning off, back on again. You can also access your heated steering wheel and your heated driver's seat, both of which have 3 separate heat settings each, and on the passenger side, just the heated seat, of course. And this car's got a parking camera, so you can either put the vehicle into reverse to access that, or if you wish to, you can tap on the actual camera icon as well. We've got a 360 view available, and if you tap any one of the cameras around the car, that is the camera that will then be shown on the screen. Working our way down from that, we have the physical stereo controls, a 12-volt charging socket. You can close this over. Wireless charging on this pad just here, if your phone supports that, of course. This is where you turn the car off, which is what I've just done, and switch it back on again. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function and 2 cup holders. You can close that whole section over should you wish to. And then lastly, we have a panoramic roof. So there's a slider. You just slide your finger back on the button, and that will open all the way to the back of those rear seats. As you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. But if you wish to, you can also open this as a tilting sunroof as well. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So firstly, you can see the V5 registration document, which shows it's a one-owner car from you. In the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total, of course, and then the service book with the pre-delivery inspection done in 2022, and then stamps for 23, 24 and 2025 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd also be more than happy to do a live video presentation of the car as well.